Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on this look here using two deck of Scarlet eyeshadow palettes. The first one is just a makeup palette with single eyeshadows in it that I just customed, but they did send these to me, and also including the edition 10 deck of Scarlet palettes, which has two lip colours. It has a blush, a highlighting shade, and then it also comes with three single shadows which are beautiful. So the first palette I'm going to go through is the one with the singles. I'm going to take the shade Sylphy using a Kylie Cosmetics blending brush. I'm just going to buff this into my crease. Then taking the shade Buzz using a small defining blending brush so I can be more precise in my crease. I'm going to be also blending that shade into my crease. So just making sure that shade Buzz is well and truly blended nice and seamlessly just into my crease. I'm focusing more on the outer corner, as you can see, and then I'm slowly buffing it in and making my way into the inner corner. Then I'm going to go into the edition 10 palette. I'm going to use the blush shade, which is called Bay, and I'm going to take that on the exact same brush and just using kind of like pattern motions to blend it in. I'm just going to use this shade just so that there is a more gradient effect going on. And then just continuing to blend those three colours all together. Then to cut my crease, I'm just going to use the Rouge Cosmetics concealer, and to do this I'm just using a Spectrum brush. This is quite a big chunky brush to cut the crease, but I am preferring this recently because it just gets it done quicker, to be honest. It just covers more of the eye space and it has a perfect round tip. And then taking another one of the exact same Spectrum brushes. This is just a clean one, but I'm actually using this just to buff the concealer. I still want the concealer tacky, but I don't want it too tacky. Then going into the edition 10 palette, I'm going to take the middle shade called Isaiah, and I'm just going to start packing this on the concealer because obviously I kept it a wee bit tacky so it would stick, but I don't know if you can notice or not, but it wasn't really working the best, but I just kept on going. I'm having so much problems with shimmers recently, so I took the Pixie setting spray, and as you can tell that definitely worked a wee bit better, so it just needed something to stick to a wee bit more. Then because I wanted it a wee bit more vibrant, I took the Phoenix pigment by Peaches and Cream, and without any Fix Plus or setting spray, I just packed that just on top and it worked fine. Then for a little more sahan, I used another pigment called Luxe by Peaches and Cream, but I just inserted that on the inner corner. Then going into the palette with the singles, I'm going to take the shade Good Angle, and I'm just taking this on a packing brush, and I'm just going to pack this just into my outer corner to darken it up. Then for a liquid liner, I'm going to do a wing today, and this is the Wet n Wild liquid liner. I used this for the first time in one of my previous videos, the Beauty Bay one, and I'm really enjoying this liner. I just love the nib of it. It's just really easy to create a really sharp wing. Then I do apologise that I didn't show this product, but this is a Rimmel London Gold ink liner, and I just put this just where I cut my crease. Then going back into the shade from the single palette called Buzz, I'm just going to run this just to my lower lash line, not doing anything too fancy, just wanting to keep it still quite smoky. Then going into the edition 10 palette, taking the Zaya shade for the inner corner. And this is it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed. I know it was very quick and easy to the point, but thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.